This car pops a lot more than the BC, I think. It sounds good.
Also, you can hear it better.
Yeah, because of the roof. But yeah, the Roadster feels like so much more refined than the coupe. Not the BC, but just the coupe in general. I don't know how you're not like my goodness gracious. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're back in Mexico. This is probably going to be the last time we're going to come here to this spot. But as you can see, we have the Pagani Huayra Roadster in front of me. This thing is so cool. Mike wanted to come back to the spot and get some more shots. Hopefully security doesn't come out and kicks out. But right now, we got this all to ourselves. There's not a soul around, but we just have the Huayra Roadster and Mike. So I'm gonna do my shots. So I'll put you guys down just for a second. But yeah, that was a really crazy ride. So forgive me, gotta do this stuff. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right guys, off we go. We just finished our shoot here. We spent an hour, 30 minutes. We have to appreciate the security guard who kind of just like let us do our thing. Last time we kind of got kicked out. It's not like we were doing anything crazy. We just literally had the car parked and stuff. And the security guy let us just do our thing. Like, thank you so much. But yeah, we're in the Roadster. We're heading back home now. That shoot was pretty crazy. So this is kind of like the behind the scenes look at where we're going and stuff. We got some pretty good shots on Mike.
Yep,
that's
really
awesome.
good.
It's times like just flew by, huh?
I know, 2 hours. My feet were hurting.
Your feet are killing you. He's
Yeah,
always wearing the same shoes, that's why.
Same time.
Same time. Yeah. Same type of shoes. Thank you guys for watching this episode. So this episode was brought to you by Mike, who just left. But here is the Roadster. Holy gosh, this thing sounds incredible. I know when we were driving, you probably just heard all wind noise. I try to mitigate it by basically what I did is turn the camera upside down so the microphone's on the bottom, so it's more tucked in, but still it probably got a lot of wind noise just because the top's open. It's crazy how different each variation of the Pagani Huayras drive. I mean, compared to the BC and the Roadster, even though they are Huayras, they drive so differently, and that's what I love about this brand and everything like that. It's like no two cars feel the same. They each have their own character, and they each bring a different type of excitement to the table. And yeah, man, this is it. The carbon fiber on this is absolutely beautiful, and the green accents, absolutely insane.